Ahoy! Welcome aboard! Well, today we're going to make my version of medallions of pork tenderloin, Marsala. Here's all we're going to need and how we put it together. Well, we start with 1 pork tenderloin, stick of butter, 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, and as many mushrooms, and we're going to make mushroom caps, to go on top of each medallion. So whatever we get out of this is how many mushrooms we're going to use. A little bit of olive oil, a couple tablespoons of flour to make our roux and thicken the sauce with, Marsala wine, and salt and pepper to taste. And we'll begin by cutting our medallions. And about a little over an inch thick. We're not going to pound them down, but we are going to flatten them a little bit, just by hand. Season them with a little salt and pepper. On each side. And I'm using kosher salt on this, or you can use sea salt. We're going to put them back on our plate, flip them upside down. Season the other side. And then we're also going to wash our cutting board because we're going to need to cut our onion and mushrooms yet. And you always want to clean your cutting board when you're cutting between any kind of meat, any kind of protein type thing, and going to the vegetables. And the only reason we did the pork first is so I knew how many mushrooms we're going to need. So for the mushrooms, we need 7. We're just going to cut the base off. I'm not going to throw that away though. But we want to have a nice flat mushroom where it's 1, 2. Next, we'll slice our onion. And we're not going to dice it, we just want nice slices of it. Dice our garlic. And usually I pre-mince the garlic, but lately I've just been cleaning it and then smashing and dicing it. Now our pan has been preheating. We'll add a touch of olive oil and our garlic. And just lightly brown that. See how it's just starting to sizzle a little bit. That's all we need for that. Now we'll do our onions. And when our onions are just about finished, we're going to add our mushrooms to that. The onions are just starting to get translucent where they're starting to saute, so we're going to add a little bit of butter to this, about 1/4 of a stick. With the butter just about melted, we'll add our mushroom caps. And just let that sit by itself. Don't want to overwork them. Now we've been working these for about 3 minutes now. We're going to flip the mushroom caps. We want to get them to the bottom of the pan so that they start to brown a little bit more. And we don't want our onions to get too brown over here. We're not making French onions, just sauteed onions. A couple more minutes and that'll be finished. All right, now we're going to set that aside. And we're going to keep the pan hot and add more butter. Let's see how that looks. We're going to keep just a little bit aside if we need it later. And you see, we didn't deglaze the pan yet. We'll do that with the wine after we cook the medallions. And turn the flame down on this a little bit. We don't want to burn the butter. We'll cook these on one side for about 1.5 minutes and then flip them. Just going to move them a little bit so they don't stick to the bottom of the pan. And I did add a little olive oil to this so that the butter doesn't burn. There's our timer. Let's flip them. We'll do another 1.5 minutes. All right, our timer went off. We're going to pull the medallions off, and let's see, I did wash the plate before we put the medallions on this. You don't want to put cooked product on something that has had raw product on it. Set that aside. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of flour to make our roux. Let's see how that looks. We'll pull it off the heat. I think we'll add 1 more tablespoon of flour. That looks about right. Turn the heat back on. Add our 1/2 cup of Marsala. Make some nice little gravy. I should say sauce. And this makes a great sauce. Oh, does it smell good. Turn that down a little bit, let the flour cook. Yeah, I think we could use just a little bit more Marsala in this. We're going to turn the flame off. Put our medallions back in. that's setting up, we'll get ready to plate everything together. We're going to put the onions on the base, then add our medallions. Oops. Our mushroom caps. Drizzle a little bit of sauce over it. Now that little mushroom cap just doesn't want to stay. We're just going to set him on the side then. Clean our plate up so it looks nice. And there we have it, guys. Medallions of pork Marsala. And until next time, happy and safe boating to you, your family, and friends.